How fi check if you can vote and which part you fi go fi vote? Me check it this morning so it dey work. Go up on internet and you search Google, type in Electoral Commissioner Jamaica or Electoral Officer Jamaica. See it there, it come up. Then if you look down here, so you see voters list. Click that. When you click that, it will carry you in here. So you scroll up, move it up, and you see query right here. So click that. Then it will bring you up on the page here, and you will see just for put in your first name, last name, and your date of birth. The day first, the number for the month, then the year. When you write your date of birth, write the day, then the slash, then the month, then slash again, then the year. So if you're born the 22nd of July, 1972, so you write it. After you put in your name and your date of birth, you press submit. It takes a few minutes, and then if your name is on the voters list, this come up. It tell you your name, date of birth, what kind of work you do, which constituency you're in, your electoral division, your polling station, your polling division, your voting address, and your voting location. Everything what you need to know, they right here so. So an easy one too if you check if your name is on the voters list and which part you're supposed to go vote. Go vote.